Hello and welcome to this first lecture on a new topic, innovation for software development excellence. So in this section, we will help you learn about innovation that you need to do to become excellent software development company. And at the end of this lecture, we will talk about what all is involved in innovation to become a excellent software development company. So, what do you think? What is involved in innovation for a successful software development company? Any thoughts? Right. So, becoming an excellent software development company involves fostering a culture of innovation and continuously seeking ways to improve processes, products, and services. And what are the various activities or things that you can do to foster innovation? Let's take a look at that. So first is to establish a clear innovation strategy. You need to have a structured approach to innovation aligned with the business goals. And for that, you need to start with developing a clear innovation strategy that outlines priorities and focus area. Start with your vision and objectives that make sure that they're aligned with business strategy, and then you develop a clear strategy, and that involves aligning innovation initiatives with the overall business and product roadmap as you see here, and communicating this innovation strategy to all the stakeholders, implementing it, monitoring and evaluating it, and improving it continuously. Second thing you need to do is to foster an environment that where creativity and new ideas are encouraged. And how can you do that? Establish a culture that values experimentation and learning from failure. The failures is the foundation for success. So as you fail and succeed. From the failures you need to learn. Encourage open communication and collaboration among the team members that generates innovation. Recognize and reward innovative contributions from individuals and teams, and that's how you can cultivate a culture of innovation. Then you need to provide the resources autonomy autonomy for employees to innovate, because ultimately it's the employees who's going to innovate, and you need to provide them resources and autonomy. And how can you do that? What kind of resources? So you need to support continuous learning and professional development. Allocate time for employees to work on personal projects or explore new technology, because that's the biggest constraint in a company. Biggest constraint for employees to innovate is the time that they have. And also that you need to provide access to tools, training and mentorship to support innovation. And that's how you can empower and support employees to foster innovative culture. Create cross-functional teams. Form cross-functional teams that include developers, designers, testers, and domain experts. Encourage interdisciplinary collaboration to solve complex problems. So complex problems will require collaboration across all the functions, and you will need to encourage that. Rotation of team members to across the boundary, that will foster a cross-border understanding of different roles and generate uh, innovative solutions. So if you do all that, you'll be able to promote collaboration between individuals with diverse skills and perspective in different functions. In different functions, people will have different and diverse skills and viewpoints, and that's how those you can use to foster innovation. Establish innovation workshops and hackathons by creating dedicated spaces and events for brainstorming and prototyping. And how you can create this dedicated spaces and events is to organize regular innovative workshops or hackathons, workshops or hackathons. And this should provide a platform for employees to explore new ideas, build prototypes, and here you need to encourage cross-team participation to generate different perspective. And this should be each team should be encouraged to define a problem, form a team, generate ideas, create products or prototype, demo, and get awards. So that's how you can establish innovation workshops and hackathons. Invest in research and development uh, by creating an R&D budget to fund projects that explore emerging technology, because emerging technology will require funding. So you create an R&D budget. Support teams in conducting experiments and feasibility studies, and monitor industry trends and invest in areas that have high potential impact. And that's the way to invest in research and development to become an excellent software development company. Support employees, encourage entrepreneurships by supporting employees in developing and implementing their innovative ideas, right? So you need to, your role has to be supportive. And this you can do. How can you do that? Establish programs that allow employees to pitch and develop their projects. Provide mentorship and resources for employees to pursue entrepreneurial initiatives. Create a supportive structure for turning internal innovations into tangible products or features of an existing product. So that's how you can encourage entrepreneurship. Implement design thinking practices. Uh, Train teams in design thinking methodologies. Incorporate user feedback into development processes. And conduct empathy exercises to better understand the user needs. Very important. Empathy exercises. And this will help you emphasize user-centric design and problem solving, so very critical for innovation. Collaborate with external partners by leveraging external expertise and perspectives outside your company. And how can you do that? Collaborate with startups, research institutes, and other companies. Participate in industry conferences, events to stay informed about external innovations, and establish partnerships that bring fresh ideas and technologies into the company. So, having looked at few practices that are involved in innovation, what do we do next? We have many more coming up. So let's stay tuned in for the next lecture in which we'll talk about what else is involved in innovation to become an excellent software development company. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on innovation in this course on software development excellence. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy. And I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. If you have any questions, do feel free to message me. I'll be happy to answer your questions. And also please do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you want to.